and he hit it, and I set the hook, and he got the bluegill, not my hook. It looks like my bluegill's running, so, oh, here we go. Got him. Oh, jeez, it's a big one. Yeah, he's big. Oh. Get down there. Oh. Oh. Oh, look at that. Hey, got him? Oh my god, he grabs him so weird.
Oh wow, it just popped out. Holy crap.
There's like 3.
Right there.
I mean, I didn't foul hook him, he just missed it. Yeah. And the camera on, right?
Yeah.
I guess it wasn't that big. He just hit it really hard. I don't think I'm...
How long is this thing been on? 31 minutes.
30 more?
31 minutes.
Oh, it's big. It's big. Yeah, probably like a 3-pounder at the pond. Yeah, I wouldn't do that for bass here. Look at that bass.
It's the other pond in like 30 minutes.
Oh, look, there's a crawdad in his stomach.
There's a crawdad?
Look at him over here.
Oh yeah, holy crap.
There's a crawdad in his stomach.
You see those little antennas?
Yeah. Nice bass. I don't know, I think he took my bluegill, but I'll take the bass. Really? Oh. Huh? I said really. He's biting me. But I'll take that 3-pounder. Ooh, these are big ones. Bass. Cause you do it and then it's just like, it's a rock. And then it like comes to the top really quickly. Connor caught a nice catfish when we were in Trap Pond, yeah. He caught it at a different pond though, but it was in the area. Oh no, it was a big bullhead. Like 14 or 15 inches. Look at this. What's this bullhead citation for here? Alright. I got bit by a bullhead. I just got spiked in the hand right there. Oh my god. How do you get spiked in the nipple by a bullhead? How do you get spiked in the nipple by a bullhead? I need to go get a new bluegill in a little. You want to go in a little? I mean, there is. We just have to give it time. Let's go around in front of the dock. What? Should I go for it? Is he big? Was it a bass there? He's gonna get mine though. Really? I didn't get it on camera though. I wasn't. Yeah, I did. He came up to the top for it? You saw him? Oh, really? My bluegill's like dead. That was crazy then, a bit. Yeah, that happens sometimes. Remember that 5-pounder that I had on, but it came off? Because I was bluegill fishing. Over there. You were there. Remember, I was bluegill fishing and a huge bass came up for it. And he got it. Ooh. Got him. Ooh. Yeah, he's pretty good. That's a nice hook. That was funny.
Oh my gosh, he has a bluegill in his throat.
That's not even the same one, is it?
Look at that.
Oh no.
Oh no!
Damn it, Rob.
He had a bluegill in his throat.
It's alright. It still counts as...
Tail, right when I got it up, the tail started flapping in his throat.
it started flapping?
Yes.
My bluegill's right here.
No, I know. That's the one I started to flap. That's what got my attention. I was like, oh my god.
I mean, does that count as a catch?
I think it does because I caught it. It was up for sure.
Yeah, I mean, it counts as a catch anyway, but...
I think it was my bluegill. That was definitely my bluegill.
Oh
my god.
His tail was flapping.
Because that was definitely the same too.
That was a nice hook set on that fish. You want to go fish for some bluegills? Yeah. And get some new ones, because like mine's size. Oh my god. Like, that's sweet. Your bluegill was in his throat and then it went for mine. I mean, that counts. So I got 4 bass and you got 2. Holy, you got 6 fish. Pidoni is good, dude. Whew. A net or something by just having the bass hang on to the bluegill.
Oh yeah, I saw it.
You saw that?
It's a little creek.
Yeah. And they were about to go kayak fishing. Shot.
No.
There we go. Ow, fuck, I fell. I fell so hard. I don't know if I can do.
Yeah, I know.
Just swing them. Oh, that's 5.
Oh yeah, it's a long time.
Ow.
Oh my god. Yes. Oh my god. Dude, take a look at that. Oh my god, there's a stank going in his throat.
Let me see.
Oh my god, look at
Oh,
that.
that's the 4.5.
Oh my god.
But there's a
Dude,
stank on his throat.
look at that, dude. That just came out. Yeah, I'm gonna get it out.
That's like a 4.5.
Oh my god.
Personal
Yeah,
best?
get it out.
Personal best. 4.5 pounds.
Oh man, dude, you have pliers. This can kill the fish.
Yeah. Ow. That's the one I caught last time.
Oh wait, got it. Look at that. Look at that, everybody. That was just in his throat.
That's the one I caught last time.
Oh
Cause
my
look,
god.
see that lip? I'll try
Oh,
to.
yeah. Right there. Here.
He's grown. He's gotten fat.
Oh my god.
Actually,
Dude, this might be 20.
20 inches.
Yeah.
I have a measuring tape. Let's go see.
Oh my god.
I mean, last time he was like 4.5 and he was really fat. So I'd say that's like 4 1/4.
Oh man, dude, I'm so happy.
Is it-
Finally.
Do you think that's your personal best?
No, my little was probably better.
That's like
This is my second.
that's like a 4 1/4. 4 1/4. I don't have a scale, so my camera's on, right?
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah. Let's measure him first. I think he's only like 18 and a half. Put him on the ground.
No, I don't want to put them on the ground. Yeah, just,
From the top,
yeah.
he's 18 and a half.
Hey, can you take a picture on my
That
phone?
was exactly right.
Yeah, can you take a picture on my phone and then on your phone? Because my phone sucks.
Why don't you just want me to take it on my phone? It's kind of bad lighting. Can you go on the other side? Yeah, I'll do it on my phone now. Here. I hope my bluegill doesn't pull my rod in. Nice. Everything's- yeah. Nice bass. Show the mouth. It's kind of a messed up lip. Nice. Throw him back real quick, cause I don't. Alright, just give him some air. That was a nice hook set, Robbie. I'm telling you, they fight hard on bluegills. They fight harder.
I can't believe I just flipped a 4 pounder.
I know.
If you weren't ready, I was like, oh crap.
I was ready. It was just that I tripped and hit my knee on this big ass thing. It hurt. You just flipped the floor. Oh, it looks really big from right here.
Really?
It's got a big stomach. Dude, I haven't moved from out here and we've caught 4 fish out of this little hole. It's a big bass. See, my 5 pounder went from like there to right here.
Really?
Yeah.
That's like a 22, 22.
Yeah. What did you do? Did he take the line out, or did you just feel him on there? Robbie.
No, he was taking the line.
Like, was he like right there? Or he was actually pretty deep. Uh-oh. If it takes it that way, I might need to set the hook. Really? Hang on. I'm getting the bite. Oh my god. You might need to catch a new one, dude, because it might be dead, and they don't bite the dead ones usually. That was sick. I'm about to go into the channel. I know, they keep coming, they're like all swarming here. So I might actually stay too. I bet there's like an 8.5 pounder here, right? Yeah, you got it in the corner. On a fly, yeah. The biggest fish in here is called the fly. Are you scared? You pumped? You pumped? Yeah. Works pretty well, I guess. That's awesome. Told you Padonia would be better than the pond. Yeah, dude, that's why I like coming to Padonia. Like, if I want to catch a lot, I'll go to the pond. I'm glad I brought my GoPro. What? Uh-oh, here we go. I might be just my Bluegill. Yeah, he's got it. Holy! That's a big one. Oh my god. You want me to lip him?
Yeah.
I'll try. Oh. Yeah. Go. I got it. Holy! That's like another 4.
I know.
Oh my. Oh my god. I don't. That's like a 4. Let me see. Actually, hold him up. He might only be 4. He's long. Yeah. Oh my god. Yeah. I was scared I was gonna lose him, so I just went as far down. But yeah, Rob, you're catching up with me. I drove for car, right?
Yeah. Did you get the hook then or no?
Yeah. I was looking right at you because I saw your line.
Can we go? Like this. Actually, he's probably just 4.
Yeah, he's 4. He's not fat, so, and he's only like 18 and a half. No, he's not like this. He's not like. Yeah, Robbie. Holy, yeah, dude. Like I knew it was a bite because you could tell. Like when they take it out like that, and like if they like make your line taut and then take it one way. Nice job. Told you. Yeah. So we can see it? Yeah.
You want to stop it and then whatever?
Yeah, stop it right now?